the chicane they come. It's cleared it out, so it makes this even faster now. Oh my God.
Brabham has to hit it wide open because Sheldon Creed, he's not going to lift. He won't. He's going to hit it wide open.
Look how high above the fence it is.
Wow. Matty Brabs right there. That's a postcard. I'm sending that home to the family. Welcome to the Gold Coast.
Oh, it's hit the chassis at the front as well.
Oh, and sparks are flying.
Let's check out some replays. This will be Richardson coming off the back. And as he gets the wall on the left-hand side. Oh, man. There was a V8 Utes crash here a couple of years ago involving Adam Marjoram that went into the wall super hard. There was no tyre wall there that day. And about 2 or 3 360s in one hit.
Wow. He never hitting out of the gas either. Lucky, so lucky that that was a tire wall right there because he hit that hard, fully bottoming out, using every inch of suspension with those King shocks. Up on the gas, can't get out of it, just wide open. Where am I? Got nowhere to go. Wow, that's worth the price of admission right there.
It's tore away.
Positive quality trailers truck takes a huge shot. The number 12 of Sean Richardson lands on the gas still, goes into a pirouette, if you will.
2 or 3 of them.
Yeah, absolutely.
Man, that's a bell ringer right there.
Oh, absolutely. A positive quality trailers truck took a big shot right there.